Now we have a problem with the solenoids. We have a given Q is equals to torque PC. We convert it. We have now 4 times 10 to the power of negative 12 C. We have permittivity 8.85 times 10 to the power of 12 farad per meter. We have a area equals to 2 centimeter squared converted to meter 2 times 10 to the power of negative 4 meter squared. The distance 2 millimeter convert to meter 2 times 10 to the power of negative 3. Now the report is we need to solve for the volts. To solve the volts, we need to use V is equals to Q over C. We have the Q here, but we didn't have the C value. So first, we need to get the C answers. So we use this. C is equals to 8.85 times 10 to the power of negative 12 times 2 times 10 to the power of negative 4 over 2 times 10 to the power of negative 3. We get the answer. C is equals to 8.85 times 10 to the power of 12 farad. Now that we got the answer, we will use this formula and substitute the given. So V is equals to 4 times 10 power of negative 12 over 8.85 times 10 to the power of negative 12. And we got the answer of 4.52 volts. We will proceed now with the second problem. We have the given inductance is equals to 0.285 millihertz. Convert to Henry, 0.285 times 10 to the power of negative 3. We have permeability is equals to 4 pi times 10 to the power of negative 7 Henry over meter. We have an area of 6 times 10 to the power of negative 14 meter squared. We have the length is equals to 36 centimeters, convert to meter is equals to 0.36 meters. The required is N. We need to get the value of N. So we will use the formula L is equals to permeability times N squared times area over length. We manipulate the formula to get the proper structure. So N squared is equals to inductance times length all over permeability times area. We will now substitute the given. So N squared is equals to 0.285 times 10 to the power of negative 3 times 0.36 all over 4 pi times 10 to the power of negative 7 times 6 times 10 to the power of negative 4. We will square the both so that the square is will be removed. So we square the 2. Now that N is the square is removed. So we get the total of 369 turns. Now we will proceed with the third problem. We have a given electric motive force is equal to negative 12.5 MV. Convert to volts. We have negative 12.5 times 10 to the power of negative 3. We have the inductance of 0.285. Convert to Henry. We have 0.285 times 10 to the power of negative 3. We have a required di over dt. We will need to get the value of this. So EMF is equals to negative L times di over dt. We manipulate this formula to get the required. So we got di over dt is equals to negative EMF all over L. Now that we get this formula, we will substitute the given. So we got di over dt all over dt is equal to negative times negative 12.5 times 10 to the power of negative 3 all over 0.285 times 10 to negative 3. Now we will get the answer 43.6 AS. A over